Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I had the opportunity to get my hands on the ROG Phone. This is ASUS's gaming phone for 2018. A company known for making really good gaming PCs and accessories is definitely going to take out all the stops when it comes down to a smartphone. Let's go ahead and check out the ROG Phone with a quick hands-on from IFA. This is TK and this is Pocketnow and XDA. The ROG Phone is a phone that is not trying to look like any other phone on the market right now. It's trying its best to look very unique and really feed in the heritage that we have from ASUS. ASUS is known for gaming, known by gamers for the Republic of Gamers, and that's how we have the ROG Phone. Now, this device is definitely a very unique device in the aesthetics. It has dual front-facing speakers, a 6-inch 1080p panel that has really good color and a refresh rate of up to 90 Hz. Under the hood, we have the Snapdragon 845, capable of being overclocked all the way up to 2.96, almost 3 gigahertz. We have the ability of going with 8 gigabytes of LDDR4 RAM on a device that is mobile. UFS 2.1, of course, is supported here with 128 gigabytes of internal storage or 512 option that's going to be coming out later this year. The device is definitely intended to be released in 2018, and I think it has a lot of unique features. I had the opportunity to check out some of the accessories that they had, all the way from the dock, the connection to a TV or a monitor to be able to play games using wireless controllers, as well as the actual cooling vent that was really just a snap-on option on the back of the device that has a built-in fan to help reduce the heat and dissipate the heat away from the device once it's being overclocked. As you can imagine with any PC, if you ever overclocked it, you know that there's going to be a lot of heat that needs to go somewhere. And this device does a good job about dissipating it. Gameplay was pretty good. 90 frames per second was actually very nice and was easily seen on the display. I definitely appreciate having this type of technology in a mobile phone, and I can't wait to get my hands on this in a full review. The device should be coming out in Europe and US, hopefully within later this year. Price and availability has not been shared with us, but what we understand, it should be somewhere around $1,000. Like and subscribe as usual. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think about the ROG Phone from ASUS? Could this be your next gaming phone? Thank you very much for the support, and I'll see you guys in the next video.